Emma. All right, Emma, you have this book, right? So we turn to page 47. We try question. Before that, you got any questions, huh, for me? No. Okay, we try question 1F. Once you're ready, you tell me, okay? I do not want to frustrate you in case you feel I don't give you enough time. That was it.
It's a fraction.
Sorry?
It's a fraction.
Fraction. No, it's not fraction. Okay, can I see what you have done? You show me what you have done. Hold on. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks. Okay. You have to realize that the whole objective is to get rid of either X or Y. Do you understand that part? we need to get rid of that. So I want you to look carefully here. I'm going to write the two equations and let us look at the pattern now here. One is 4x plus 9y equals to -1. The other one, I'm going to write it above. Watch out now, I'm writing 9y plus 10x. Can you see this? Equals to 11.
I think we did it wrongly.
Okay.
We did one part.
Okay. All right, you try.
I got it.
You got it.
Is it -1?
-1 for y, yes. X is?
Haven't found that one yet.
Okay, we find x.
X is 2.
Okay, well done. Can I just have a look at how you did it? I want to show you another method. You show me how you have done it. Okay, times. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So you have done that method. Okay, that's one method. That's good. That's good. Now I want to show you another method. In fact, this method, you remember the whole objective is to get rid of one of them, either x or y. In this case, if I take the top minus the bottom, can you see that I can also get rid of the y? See, let's say now 11. So I do it this one. This one is equation 1, equation 2. I take equation 1 minus 2. So down here be 11 minus 1 because you're minusing this one becomes 11 plus 1 equals to 12 lah. Okay, right? This one's okay, right? So you see 9y minus 9y, no more y. 10x minus 4x is 6x. 6x equals to 12. X equals to 12 divided by 6 is 2. So sometimes if you can see this pattern, you can minus straight away. That is one way lah. Okay, but you need to know, just like you need to know the different ways of getting home. It's not only from the school route. You have your place in wherever, whichever place you know how to get back by taxi, bus or walking. Same thing. In maths, you need to know different strategies. Why? Because sometimes you might be stuck in one strategy. So this may help. Okay, we try now the next one. Okay, we try the next one. We try question 1G. Okay, if you are trying this approach, remember there's a minus sign there, so you got to be careful. You may not work with a minusing. One G, page 48.
Can I see the whiteboard?
Sorry. In this case, you got to be careful. You use minus, it may not work. Because one is, in this case, yours is one is minus, one is plus. So you need to, instead of minus, you need to plus. Just as an example, because you have one minus, one plus. If you're not sure this way, you can do your method, no problem. So the answer is one is a mixed number. One is a whole number, one's a mixed number.
X is 8/13.
8/13. Y is?
I didn't do that yet.
Okay, no, X is not. X is -12. Can I have a look at what you have done? Show me. Because you may. Okay, thank you very much. We will now, thank you, Emma. I'm now gonna dissect what you have done. So down here now that I see, you have put 4x, you brought over the 9y, is okay, this one is correct. Okay, this one is correct. Next one is 10x, you bring over, it's
That's
also
wrong question.
wrong question. Oh my goodness, wrong question. You show me the, you show me this or something, you show me this.
That's the other page.
Okay, that page, hold on, let me see. I think I took. Can you show me again? Can you show me again? I think I took the. Okay, hold on now, hold on now. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. One moment, huh? Okay, share screen for a while. Okay, this is the question, right? Let us see. Okay, now we. Okay, here. So what we have now, 2 plus 6x. Okay, you minus 3y over there. Hold on now. And then down here is 10 minus 7, bring over, become plus. Lah. That's the first thing. Then you have over here 3y, this one minus 3y now. So you've got to be careful. Can you see now? One is minus 3y, one is plus 3y. So you need to multiply maybe one side to make it another sign. You know what I'm talking about? If not, I will write it down here. So you say it is another one. There's another one. Hold on. Huh? You bring over the 6x is minus 6x, right? You bring over 6x is minus 6x. Correct? So just take note. The other one, 10 minus must be 7x, right? But it is not yet. So, Emma, you just look at this one for a while. Just be careful. Huh? So now, even if you get this right, you must remember this is plus, this is minus. So you need to, if you want to make it the same, you need to times by -1. Times this side by -1. So this equation 1 becomes number 3, let's say. It becomes plus 3y equals to 6x minus 2. Or you just do the opposite. Minus 2 plus 6x. It becomes the opposite sign. This part, do you understand? You understand? Yes, okay. Only then you can say this is equals to this. All right? So be careful on that.
Minus 12.
Minus 12. Good. So if you can get that, okay, you get that. The next one is going to be a mixed number. Okay, why don't you try to find the next mixed number? And then, but once you get the first one, normally you can get the second one. It's a mixed number, quite a big mixed number.
15/1/3.
15/1/3. Okay, answer key says minus 24. 2/3. Wait. Let me just check your x is minus 12, y minus 20, minus 24, 2/3. Can you just show me so that I just can check if there's a mistake in either the answer key or your working? Okay. Okay, thank you. Come, let me see. Thank you very much. I will now.
No,
Yes.
I think I know.
You got your mistake. Okay, great. If you got your mistake, great. Hey, this is not the one. I can't find where it's.
17/39.
17/39. Okay, let us see. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna. Did you change? You change any of this down here on this screen? What do you change? Down here. Do you change any? Can you see the screen?
21 plus 18y.
21 plus 18y. Okay, so you brought down 21 plus 18y. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Okay, 2 plus 3y. Okay, correct. Okay, I need to find out where the mistake is. Okay, maybe find out where the mistake is if there is a mistake. And then the other side, so you get this equals to 6x. The other side is 10 minus 3y. Okay, but you see there's a minus 7x. You must remember down here, Emma, it's a minus 7x here.
No, I times 1.
You times what? You times -1. Do you times -1?
I didn't do it on the paper, but
Okay, all right. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So you times this by 7. You times this by 6. Okay, let's see. You get 42. Okay, so you get rid. Okay, have the. Let's see. 14, 21, 60 minus 18y. So down here, because this is -7, you got to times by -6. Let us try, okay? With -6, okay? And then why must you do that? So that you can get 42x over here, right? Then you get 42x over here. Okay, so, but you understand this is minus 7x? You understand, huh? So let's say now we get that, we get 42x over here at the bottom, 42x. And then the top is 6 times 10 is -60. Now it's going to go a little bit different, huh? And then minus 3 times is going plus 18y. Okay, so let's try just this one and we see whether we get it. So down here now, you bring over, it becomes minus 18y. This one is considered correct lah. Let's say now if we do it this way, right? Plus, you bring over the minus. And then down here now, 14, you bring over the minus 14, but this has a minus here because it's a minus 60 over here. So then you get, down here you get minus 74 equals to 3y, y equals to, you try 74 divided by 3, what do you get? You get 24 2/3.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the answer, negative 24 and 2/3. Are you okay? Are you confused? Okay, I want to show you an easier way for the second part, okay? So once you know x is equals to negative 12. Now this is the equation, right? You do, okay, you do first. Once you're ready, you tell me.
Done.
Okay, so you know x, you find out is equals to negative 12. Now you can just put it inside one of this. You choose which one. Okay, let's say we take 3 lah. 3, yeah. Now down here, watch. So I'm going to substitute, and I'm going to write it like substitute x equals to negative 12 into 3. So this is now 3y. Why I choose this one? Because the y is already down here. I can find out what's the value of y. Minus 2 plus 6, x is negative 12. Now I don't need to change it to y, 1y yet. I don't need to change it to y. I just substitute first. So let us see now. 6 times 12 is how much? 72. 12 times 5, 16. You know what? 12 times 5 is, sorry, what am I saying? 12 times 5 is 16. 72 lah. Negative. Negative 2, negative 72, negative 74. I think we are getting the same one as just now, right? 3y equals to negative 74. So y equals to negative 74 over 3 equals to negative 24 2/3. Can you see that this one now is easier than the first part? So the first part, you only need to do what I mean by the first part. I'll show you. This first part here that you did like that. This was for the first part, so you did something like this, right? So you use it for the first part. For the second part, once you already know what the value is, you just substitute it in. But first of all, do you know what is substitution in? You understand? You understand? Don't understand?
Oh, I forgot I found the X.
Oh, you forgot you found X. Okay. So okay, so it's okay, it's okay. It's just a tougher way lah. It's a tougher way. No problem, no problem. Okay, now we try, we move on now. We try a little bit more difficult. 1K. 1K, yeah? K for king. Have you moved on to problem sums, Emma, for simultaneous? So we will preempt that in the next half of the lesson. Problem sum simultaneous equation. This is now you're dealing with fraction.
Y equals to -3.
Y equals to -3. Okay, they say here x equals to 3, y equals to 1/3. Okay, can I see your working? Show me your working letters. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, last one is a mistake. You bring the 21 over. You look at your working. Look at your working.
No, I know.
You know
I
your
know.
mistake. You know your
No,
mistake.
I did the calculation and then I just put the minus from the y to the 3.
Okay, actually, no. Okay, you put down. I'll show you. I'll show you a mistake. You will sort of laugh like if you see a mistake. Now remember, Emma, this one. You bring this thing over down here, over there. The 21. You bring over down there is D. You are supposed to divide by 21. Correct? Okay, if you forget, let us try now. 2y equals to 6. What is y? Y equals to 6 divided by 2. So the number that is from the left will go down. Your number goes up, then 7 goes down. You can see the mistake now. So be careful. So what has happened? You got to be careful this. And then it's minus, so it's correct. It's plus. You will get plus. You just take this whole 21, put it down. So you get 1/3. 1/3 is correct.
No minus.
No minus, because you see, okay, now down here. So we got to be clear. So minus 21 down here. Y. Your equation is correct, right? It's equals to -7. So we are going to take the whole of this thing. We're going to remove it. We're going to put it below here. So once you put it below, minus divided by minus becomes plus 1/3. Okay? Okay, then you try to find the value of x. You can substitute in, find the value of x. So this say is a whole number. Okay. How you got x equals to?
Wait, can you check for me?
Okay, sure.
How come it's a fraction?
Yeah, it's a okay. Wait. It's a fraction. Hold on. So now down here, hold on. Okay, thanks. So why don't we do it this way? Yeah, I'm going to use the board. Okay, so you have now down here x plus 6y equals to 5, right? This is one of the equation. 4x plus 3y equals to 15. I will come to your 13. I will come to your method in a moment. But now I want to find what? I want to find x. I have down here x. I know y. I just need to bring the 6y over that side. I get 5 minus 6y. See, I'm going to forget about this equation. If I substitute in the value of y here, I got the value of x already. Okay, can you see now? You understand what I'm saying? I want to find the value of x. So now there's one equation. This equation is like that. I see x on here. If I push all the others over that side, I will get x equals to 5 minus 6y. Plus 6y bring on minus 6y. So now all I need to do is substitute the value of 1/3 here, right? So I put x equals to minus 6. I put a bracket on here for 1/3. Because that's the value of y, right? So now, watch, 5 minus, this one how to do? This is 6 over 1 times 1 over 3. Okay, and then you get divide by 3, you get 1, divide by 3, you get 2. It's 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Are you okay? If you're confused by this, okay, never mind. Use your calculator, take 6 times 1/3. You'll get the answer is 2. So 5 minus 2. But we will come to your method now. Okay, let us see your method. Okay. Is this one? This is the one, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me see. 5 minus x. Okay, the y over there. 6y equals to that. 13 minus 4x. Okay. So let us see what you have done here. I'm gonna write it down so that you can see. This now you're finding, you're finding x, but you forgotten. Okay, let me start. We will write it down. X plus 6y. You can see my board, right? Equals to 5. So what you have done, you put 6y equals to 5 minus x. Okay. This is 6y, I just take note. And then after that, you did, let me see. Okay, this is equation 1. So the next one, 4x plus 3y equals to 13. So you have 13 minus 4x, correct, equals to 3y. Okay, so now let us look at your other thing. This 4 over 3. Okay, let us be clear. You can clearly see this one, this particular thing here. This is not 6y. You got to times this by 2. Then it becomes 6y. So I need to times this whole thing by 2. So you get 6y equals to 2 times 13, 26. Minus 2 times 4x minus 8x. Now this is 6y equals to this. 6y equals to this. Now you can say 5 minus x is equals to 26 minus 8x. So down here now, let us look at what we have done over here. Down here. So you put this divide by 2, 4 over 3. So I need to know how you get this thing. This one.
1 over 3 times.
1 over 3 times 6. Oh, okay. Let me see. So 1 over 3 times 6, you get 2. So the 2 equals to 5 minus x. That's what we found. And then down here was how many? 3y. So 3 over 2, is it? 3 over 3. 3 times 1/3 is 1. Correct. You put 1 over 2, a value of 3y down here. You are taking this, right? That's why you put in the value down here, right? 1/3, right? So 3 over 1 times 1 over 3 is 1, not 4 over 3. You try to see whether you can work it out, you can get the answer.
Three.
3, okay, well done. So, okay, so in your case, you're using both strategies for x and y, not a problem. You can use substitution if you want to, but it's okay. There are many, many ways. Huh? Okay, I think for this lesson, what we do, we complete this one. The next lesson, we do problem sums. Let us try question number P. P for Pakistan. 1P, page 49.
Y equals -3.
Y equals -3, x equals to? Correct, correct, well done. Correct, 2, okay, good. So more or less, you, sorry?
I'm still doing.
Oh, you're still doing that? How you know it's 2?
I didn't say 2.
Oh, it didn't say 2. Okay, okay. Okay, you do. So sorry. I thought you say 2. Okay, well, okay, now we turn to page, we do this page 51. Now, page 51, as we can see, is a problem sum, right? Now, this problem sum will have to be reduced back to simultaneous equation. That means now, okay, they say the sum of two numbers is 121. The difference of the two numbers is 5. So can you give a name for one of the numbers? The two numbers are?
And y.
Yeah. So you start with, let the two numbers be x and y. So your first equation will be what equals to 1 to 1? The sum of two numbers, so is what?
1 to 1 and no, x and y.
X plus y equals to 1 to 1. And what about the other one? That's equation
Yeah,
1
minus y.
equals 5. Okay, so you do that. So now this is now the beginning of applying what you learn to problem sums. This is the highest level, huh? So you try to solve it. You see, can you find the two numbers or not? Okay.
Y equals minus 116.
Y equals minus. Okay, can I have a look at your equations, please? Hold on, hold on. Okay, all right, thank you. Let us see now. Okay, can you see my screen, Emma?
Yeah.
Why is it I cannot move this? Okay, you can see your, okay, so now x equals to 1 to 1 minus y, correct? Now minus y you bring over becomes plus y. Be careful, Emma. Can you see that minus y you bring over, it becomes plus y, and that's where the whole problem is. Okay. So do note now, any mistake at the beginning will cause you to be off track.
equals to minus y plus y.
So you don't minus. Let us look at this. Let's say now you got y and you got minus y. You plus. Instead of minus, you plus. Once you plus, you get rid of the y. Because it becomes y minus y. Because plus minus becomes minus. So now let us see. You show me the part you are stuck, or you know what to do. You know what to do? If not, you show me. You show me where you are at. I will advise you. Okay, y minus y plus, oh, that then becomes 0. So hold on, wait. But you see, means when you bring over the plus y, it becomes minus y, right? Means you know what I'm talking about. So minus 2y is equals to something. But if you have y minus y, that means it's 0 lah. By 0, that means that's why there's a look of confusion on your face. So how come 0 is equals to that? So minus 2y is equals to minus 116, is it?
Yeah.
So you get what y is lah. Y is 58. So what is the other number? And in this case, if you understand the problem sum, you don't need to worry about substituting in. There are two numbers. They add up to 121. What's the other number? If you understand the question, you know how to find it. 63. So if let's say you don't understand it, then you go into the formula method of doing everything again, right? So what we do now is actually to find out the meaning and go for it. It's a much faster way. Okay, are you all right? Any other questions you want to ask me? Oh, you didn't ask me any question. Okay, next week, what we're going to do, if you can do as homework, I leave it to you, okay? You look at page 50. You try question 2 and question 3. Okay? Okay. You try question 2 and question 3. Question 3, just to tell you, the simultaneous question is like this, Question 3 is, they are saying, although they give you one equation, there's two equals there. So what they are saying is 3x plus 5y equals to 12. The other one is 9x minus y equals. This you can break it up into these two equations. Do you get it? You get it, huh? So if you see a question like this with double equal, don't panic at all. You know that actually you can choose what you want. What are the other alternatives? What are the other alternatives? If you do not want this way, you can also have it like this. This one is 1. The other one, no, these two will be the best. Okay. Never mind. So, okay, Emma, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.